interesting point that the lawyer says that there was something amiss all along. And he's saying that the fact that the police had registered this case to be a case of suicide is what was extremely baffling, given how the body was discovered in the condition. And he also talks about the parents of the victims. So this is a big, huge one. You know, this is something that the BJP had been saying all along, that there seems to be something more suspicious, something more sinister to the crime that has been committed. Tell us a little bit more on, you know, what did the state had to say while it was making its case in the Calcutta High Court?
Well, more than politics, it's the Calcutta High Court too, which has said a similar thing that, if there was a lackadaisical approach from the end of the Kolkata police, and in order to, reinstate public confidence in fact, the confidence in the public, the matter has to be sent to, in fact, the Central Bureau of Investigation. It is also stated that, there have been attempts, in fact, to, shield that particular principle, and, and has directed that this principle should not be reinstated until further orders of, in fact, the Calcutta High Court, and he should be sent on a long leave. Very clearly and categorically, it has stated that the investigation in this case was lackadaisical. It was there was no significant progress in this probe, and hence, in order to reinstate the public confidence, the matter needs to go to a central agency, that is the Central Bureau of Investigation, and the case has to be handed over till tomorrow morning at around 10 a.m. All the files need to be transferred to, in fact, the CBI, because any day of a delay can result into, washing away of the evidence.
Okay, Ananias, just kindly stay on with me. Agnimitra Paul from the BJP is also joining us. Your initial reaction, all along the BJP had been saying that this case should be handled by the CBI. Today, finally, the Calcutta High Court giving that order that this case is going to be shifting, despite the fact that the state police has arrested the accused. Even they feel that the case is going to be better handled by the CBI. Your thoughts?
See, we are extremely happy, rather we are overjoyed, that the case has been handed over to CBI. And from the very first day, when we saw the way Kolkata police, Banerjee's police was investigating the case, we knew that, they wanted to cover it up. They wanted to hush it up like any other cases. You will be remembering the Kamduni case, which is a famous gang rape case which happened in 2013. And then also our chief minister said that within 30 days, you will get justice. But 11 years have passed. Nothing has happened. And CID, West Bengal police, was investigating it. So we knew very well from the very first day when Mamata Banerjee's police, after seeing the half-naked body, her undergarments strewn all over, her body had scratch marks from head to toe, they said it's a case of suicide. We understood that they were trying to hush it up.
Stay on with me.
We knew that there was
Ms.
something
Paul,
wrong.
on that point, I have Mr. Datta from the TMC also joining us. Mr. Datta, now finally even the Calcutta High Court is saying that this case is going to be better handled by the CBI. Yes, the Kolkata police did arrest the accused, is in custody, but even the court, finding something amiss. What do you have to say about this latest development?
See, the Trinamool Congress, the West Bengal government and the administration just wanted two things. Number one, justice for the victim and her family. And secondly, exemplary punishment for the culprit or the culprits involved. The investigation was done under the leadership of the Commissioner of Kolkata Police himself, with full knowledge of, with time-to-time updates with the Chief Minister of West Bengal. The Chief Minister yesterday, after meeting the family of the victim, herself said that if the investigation does not conclude by Sunday, we will hand it over to the CBI. Now, the Honorable Calcutta High Court, in all its wisdom, has given it to the CBI. We have no comments on that. We welcome the decision because, again, I will say we only want two things.
But Mr. Datta, how could the principal of the medical college, be reinstated at such a sensitive time amidst the investigations to another prestigious medical college? And now it's only on the instructions and intervention of the court that he has gone on this long leave.
The principal in concern, see, I am not going to speak for him, but the principal in concern here, there was a lot of rage against him in the particular hospital where this unfortunate heinous crime took place. So a senior principal of an administrative doctor, the administration at that time thought that it was better to transfer him out of there so that he can use his services in a different hospital. But however, whatever has unfolded, the rage, the decision of the High Court, we welcome it all, and we hope that justice is delivered swiftly to the victim and her family, and the culprits get exemplary punishment.
All right. Ms. Paul, Ms. Datta, unfortunately, I'm completely running out of time here, but thank you both for joining us and, just giving your reactions on the news coming in from the Calcutta High Court, wherein the case has now been handed over. The case is the murder and the rape of a young trainee doctor at the RG Card Medical College. This entire investigation has now been handed over from the Kolkata police to the CBI. The CBI is going to be investigating this case. Short break. Stay tuned.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all the latest news and updates, do follow us on our social media platforms.